Have you ever heard of Mohs surgery? It's a highly specialized technique for the removal of skin cancer and also comes with the highest reported rate of cure. As board-certified facial cosmetic surgeon, Dr. Dino Madonna of Lake Ear, Nose, Throat and Facial Plastic Surgery explained in September, he's passionate about the skill and artistry required to correct the scars left from the Mohs procedure and other facial plastic surgery.
A skin cancer that's been removed by a particular procedure to try to save as much normal tissue as possible, known as Mohs surgery. There's quite a few Mohs surgeons who refer patients. I'll see them and kind of look at that defect and have to, in my mind, try to scope out a plan, again three-dimensionally, of how do you reconstruct this. And not only just form and putting things back in place, but to make them functional. Quite often, rebuilding large nasal defects, not only do you want to cover it, but you want to try to do it so in such a fashion where you're allowing the person to breathe comfortably. So the idea of form and function and the artistry and three-dimensionality that goes with it, to me, is just fascinating. For instance, to have a skin cancer, a basal cell, a squamous cell, eat away part of the nose. Basically, it can vary from something superficial to just the skin portion or the soft tissue, to all the way through the cartilage and have a through-and-through defect where you're literally missing, a third or half of the nose, and you have to rebuild it in layers. You not only have to just throw something on top, but you have to build the inside layer, the supporting cartilage layer that provides structure, and then cover it, all with living vascularized tissue. Pretty neat stuff. Rhinoplasty is very challenging, and it's a gamut. I mean, quite often it's a combination of function and cosmesis. Functional, making someone breathe more comfortably, whether it's to tolerate their CPAP machine better for obstructive sleep apnea, to whether it's just from an old injury from sports. That's what the idea of the functional aspect. The cosmetic, again, very rewarding, just different circumstance, different scenario, but very rewarding.
To learn more about the procedures offered at Lake E&T with offices in Leesburg, Tavares, and the Villages, click the Art of Surgery story link icon on our homepage, yourhometownhealth.com.